What's up, y'all? It's Alfred and I am back with another video. For today's video, guys, I'm going to be partnering up with Wig Encounters to bring you all a hair tutorial. And I'm really excited for this wig because, oop, I thought she was in here, but she's not. Girl, come out, she had it. But for this video, y'all, I'm going to be installing this chocolate brown, like money piece wig with like the little ash brown highlights, and it goes down to like an ash brown, you know, ombre situation. So I'm so excited for this video because y'all already know the last wig that I got that was supposed to be like highlighted and like custom, it looked a hot ass mess. So this one actually looks like professionally done. So if anybody wanted to know any specific hair details, that will all be down below in the description box like always. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Alfred, nice to meet you. If you're returning, welcome back, bitch. You already know I missed you. Before you all leave, do not forget to hit that bell button down below to be notified every single time I post a video. And without further ado, y'all, let's just hop right on into the video because I'm so excited to pop her on. So first things first, I already have my wig cap on and everything like that. I just took some foundation and I'm just gonna do my regular install. Also, y'all, this wig isn't like your regular normal frontal wig. It's a like T-part wig, which I don't mind at all. Like, I actually like that because it's like I don't have to really worry about anything else. But if you all see, it's only the part, and then you have like, you know, the rest of the wig. It's only like a little bit of lace on it, but it's like a transparent or like light brown lace, which I absolutely love. Let me just pop her on real quick to see how she's looking, because I went ahead and plucked her some just so she could be plucked a little bit, because it's still like a little bit blunt, but I tried to do my best with plucking her out. I'm gonna try to do like a little bit of baby hair, like literally just like a little bit. As a styling, I think I just want to keep her in her natural state because flat iron this, I'm scared it's gonna get like thinner. So I just want to keep it in this natural state and pop some curls in it or some wine curls in it just to go ahead and just get like a little wave to it or whatever. Love the coloring. If y'all see, it goes down to this color right here, but I love the coloring on it and everything. So yeah, let's just get on to installing the wig. So this is basically the baby hairs and the install. I'm liking how it's coming out. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of the hair and do my makeup and stuff, and I'll be right back with the final look and my final review on the hair and everything. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. This is the hair after I wand curled. I just put some wand curls. This is like the size barrel, like the biggest one, basically. The curls kind of like fell out because I've been playing with it and stuff, but it's still cute. Y'all can get the gist of it. I really do enjoy the hair. I really like the color. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is like the first wig that I've got that looks like really like professionally like dyed and everything, like actually done by a professional, which I really do appreciate. So yeah, if you're interested, all of the information will be down below in the description box. Counters, you did that. The only issue I would say is it's shedding just a little bit. It's like, yeah, it's shedding just a little bit, but I mean, if you don't really mind, if you really just want the hair color, girl, the hair color is fire as hell. This is everything. This wig, I would recommend it. The hair feels nice. It's like a nice quality hair. Y'all already know Wig Encounters does have some good hair, so that's always gonna be good. But yeah, y'all, if you all enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. To follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. They're both AlphaLow636 is my YouTube name. Yeah, y'all, that's all that I have for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, bitch.